basket.
Woo, the baby! Oh my.
Excuse me, how to not?
He's cute. Hey, go get us some drinks.
Drinks? You got it. I'm sorry. I don't remember anything. Where am I? I'm sorry. I just realized I don't remember anything before I said drinks. You got it. And it's a complete blank before that.
He's cute. Hey, go get us some drinks.
Drinks? You got it. Ha! I couldn't stop saying that. It just made me say that.
Hey, think fast.
What? What are you doing?
Nice save.
I didn't catch it. Are you being sarcastic?
He's cute. Hey, go get us some drinks.
Drinks? You got it.
Hey, think fast.
What? Stop. Oh, ah.
Nice save.
Shut up. Gabe? Gabe, someone is controlling your mind.
You should see what he taught his Clydesdale.
What are you talking about, a Clydesdale?
He's cute. Hey, go get us some drinks.
Drinks? You got it.
Ha! Hey, think fast.
Stop. Hey, look at me. Hey,
Nice
look at
save.
me. I didn't save anything. What, you wanted cheers? That's what you wanted to do. Ooh.
Oh, those are the cutest frogs.
You said something different? Is it because I act like I cheers him? Are those the frogs from the commercial? Hold on, frogs from the commercial, Clydesdale, you're talking about? And then there's old people doing awesome stuff. Chicks with cleavage pretty much everywhere. We're in a commercial. Do we have to complete the commercial? We're in a commercial or something, right? Why is it quiet now? Why are you not, do I have a line here? I don't know the script. Say my name.
Oh my gosh.
That's so adorable.
You should see what he taught his Clydesdale.
Gabe, it's me, Toby. You know, look at me. We're friends. We make videos together. You're stuck in a commercial and the script sucks. So just think about how bad the script is and you can break out. Look at me. Look at me. I'm free. Just go with it. Gabe,
We can't win.
He's cute. Hey, go get us some drinks.
drinks. You got it.
Hey, think fast. Nice save.
Oh, those are the cutest frogs.
I taught him to say my name.
Wow, really?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's so adorable.
You should see what he taught his Clydesdale.
You really should. You should when you come over to my place after the game.
We'd have to bring my nephew. Is that okay?
Yes, hot chicks. Baby Vader can come too.
And can we bring our boyfriend?
No!
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. It's working! It's fading to black! It's fading! It's it hurt kinda. Thanks to Google for sponsoring this video. No, seriously though, thank you. Because we're in a hot tub, it's hot chicks. This is great. Dude, you're not possessed anymore. You're not. Just go with it. Oh,